Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you about this Huion Inspiroy H320M drawing tablet, which is a dual purpose drawing and writing tablet. By dual purpose I mean its one side can be used to create art on your laptop, computer or mobile phones using different softwares like any other tablet, but its other side can be used to directly create art on it without connecting it to any other device. Basically, it has an e-paper technology on the other side which can be used to create quick sketches, doodles or writing. I will show you how to use it, but first let's unbox it and I will show you what are the contents in the box, and then I will give a detailed review about it and show you how to use it. So stay tuned and watch it till the end. So this is the box of the tablet. Its model is H320M. So let's quickly check it out. The features are mentioned on the box like double side usable, active area. Its active area is 9 into 5.6 inches. It is written here in millimeters. 5080 LPI resolution, 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, and these are the contents of the box. So this is just a thank you note. Thank you for choosing Huion. And this is the tablet. This is a tablet. It has 11 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So this is the one side of the tablet, and this is the other side which I was talking about. This is an LCD display. I will show you how to use it. First, let's see the other contents. This is not a CD, but just a card on which the website is mentioned to download the driver. And this is the warranty card. Then this is the pen. It is a battery-free pen, so you don't need to charge it. It also has a button. Basically 2 keys. You can assign different features to it using the software. This is the pen holder which you can place on the table like this, and it also has extra nibs. These are the extra nibs for the pen. This is the user manual. Okay, a quick start guide. This is a small piece of cloth for wiping and clearing the tablet. The branding is here, Huion. Then these are 2 OTG for connecting the device to your mobile phones. And this is the connecting cable, USB cable. So you can use the OTG for connecting this tablet to your mobile phones. One is type C and one is micro USB. So these are all the contents of the box. And one more thing, they had also sent this bag to carry the tablet safely. Let's see how it is. So this is the bag. Huion branding is also here. Looks very nice. Let's see how the tablet fits in the bag. Okay, so it perfectly fits in the bag, and the pen can also be kept in the bag. Now first of all let's open this cable. Okay, you need to connect this USB end to the laptop and this end to the tablet. Like this, and the USB to your laptop, and the device is connected. A small light will blink here, this white LED. So first of all you need to install the Huion software in your laptop or computer, and it will look like this as I have opened here. In the press keys section of the tablet, you can assign various functions to the hotkeys on the tablet, and in the digital pen section, you can assign functions to the two keys of the pen, and also you can check the pressure sensitivity here. Let me show you. I'm gradually increasing the pressure, so the bar will move up. Like this. This is the pressure sensitivity adjustment curve. I am not changing it. In the work area section, you can select the work area of the device. By default, it is set as full area, and if you are a left-hander or a lefty, you can click on 180 degree here and it will invert the tablet for a lefty. I am a righty, so I am keeping it as 0 degree. After doing any changes, just click on apply and click OK. Now let's quickly test it with Photoshop. Let me open a recently saved document. I was drawing a sketch of Conor. Let's do it with this tablet. One more thing I forgot to tell you, the price of this tablet. The MRP written on the box is 9,000 rupees, but on Amazon India you can purchase it for approximately 6,000 rupees. I will provide the link in the description of this video. You can purchase it directly from there, the official link. So as you can see, there is no lag and pressure sensitivity is really nice. Now let me show you the other side of this tablet. You don't need to connect it to use the other side. So let's do it. Basically this is a LCD display and it has e-paper technology. You can draw on it like this and simply press this button to erase it. You can draw or write on it anything for approximately 50,000 times. You can write your name, you can write anything on it to make quick notes. So this is how you can draw quick sketches on it and or create doodles or write notes, and then you can click pictures of it if you want to keep it as a memory or if you want to post it somewhere. And I think it's a very nice e-paper technology. So this was a detailed review of this Huion dual side tablet. If you like this tablet, you can purchase it from the link which I have mentioned in the description of this video. And don't forget to give a like to this video as well. And let me know in comments what do you think about it. Thanks so much for watching.